One feminist for Kenya don't come outside dey cry. She say as she be like this, she need husband. Say na marriage na be her solution as she be like this. Say she don't come to realization say nobody love her and nobody won't marry her. Or na know all this kind feminists wey be say they always believe say without men. In fact, they don't believe say as they dey like this, they dey okay. Say men no fit add any value to their life. For say in fact they dey okay to do everything and anything wey they want do. E be like say this auntie na she don't overdo am. She don't do am to the extent where be say nobody na no man won't marry her. Now she come realize and say she no fit do without men. Say abeg, any man wey dey available, make na slide inside her DM. My people abeg, make na follow me watch.
Hi guys, I'm so sad right now because I just came to a realization. These past few days have been so hard for me because you know how men say that women have toxic feminism, and you'll get to a certain age and no one will want to marry you and no one will love you. I feel like I've gotten to that point, guys. I was so hung on to this feminism thing and I missed out on marriage and on children. And now I'm at a point in my life where I'm so bitter. I'm so jealous of people who have marriages because they are so happy and their husbands don't even cheat on them. And men are just the best. Right now is when I'm realizing I can't do without them. And right now I'm I don't care if you are rich or poor, tall, dark, handsome, ugly. Me, I don't care, by the way. As long as you're a man and you're breathing, that's the only qualification I need, because I'm just so desperate for a husband. There's a lot of pressure around me, so if you can DM me and propose, I swear I'll behave and I'll marry you immediately. I'll wash your clothes, I'll cook for you, I'll have your children, and I'll be obedient and a submissive wife, because that is what you guys want. I'm no longer a feminist, guys. I'm sorry.
Auntie don't quit feminism. I sure say na Konji na don't catch this one. Because if not be Konji catch her, I know sure say she go dey realize now she need man for her life. But she don't talk and say, in fact, any kind of man she want. If you like, make you ugly. If you like, make you fine. You poor, you tall, you if like you be perege dwarf. She dey anybody just come her side. Say she dey ready to collect you. Say as long as say you be man and you dey breathe. Hey, on a see condition. Say as long as say you be man or real man, you know they talk of anyhow man. Say as long as you be man, you sabi breathe, make you just come her place. But I beg, what if this lady heart desire go? Because me, I don't understand. I be na the feminism na lead you to this one. I be because say people don't toast you. You don't talk no. Now when we say you don't say age, you don't do on your time your side again. Now there when they realize say now you won't marry. But I beg people know they realize what be mean of this feminism. Because you be feminist, no mean say that's me you no marry. You know me say you go to do gra on top of your husband say now you get money pass now. No. This one just dey on the right of equality. Make everybody just dey equal. Now make people they gather more that say then say they want to feminist. But if you now watch most of all these people, last they will go get belly for back. After they don't give now so many motivational speaking say no marry man, no good man, no do this. Later it will come surprise. She be na still Linda Ikeji. That's what she said do. She carry this man thing for head like say she no go. Now last she no go get belly bone. And I see abi. So this one self come carry am. And God say she don't even realize her mistake. And thank God say she don't notice say now she really need the man and she want this thing. But me, auntie, I beg, no vex. I get husband for you. He get one man where they sign Nigeria, he self talk saying they find wife. But in own requirements now, in best, I don't know where you go act as in best, I go meet the man, I where you go take one. But he self say he need wife, so on I go match well. But this is why he say men no they cheat. Hey, and they laugh in capital letters. You never see chanting. People, the way when they go cheat on you, you go even surprised. Maybe because person will toast you can't see and say, hey, that one don't they married, happily married. Now there you come the reason say, they know they cheat. You go see something your eyes go clear. But I beg, calm down, time never to go. People will be 50 years they marry. People will be even 60 years they marry. So no to rush yourself. Just calm. I just say na cruise self you just they catch. But people when they on this channel, men when they on this, now don't hear me. You make na go shoot on a shot because this lady there. Even if you poor, no worry. She dey okay. She dey capable to take care of you. But auntie, calm down, I beg. Time no dey go. No reason I say maybe your family don't they disturb you. If you go even enter them now, you go still rush, come outside. So just take your time and find man where you know say you want before you go rush, enter them. More no one the hear story say tomorrow night don't talk say the man do you this one now, you won't come out. I don't talk my own. No. My people make I hear this one. I say make I bring and come. Make a service now here. Hear what they happen. Anything when I feel about this matter, make now don't forget to write down inside the comment section. Make now don't forget to like and also share this video. I go see you now for the next video. There inside paradise, oh, as you talk to ya, don't talk to she don't tire for Grampy matter. Say the thing don't tire her. This Ivorian celebrity, she post say this relationship, say she won't end that. Say in fact, she won't break up with this her lover boy. And what is she right now? Good evening, my babies. Just to inform you that I am Big P. I don't know where the Big P and Big Penis. What did she even mean? Say the relationship is over. I'm moving on. Thank you. Hey, what the person no go even here? In fact, now they understand how this equation will even take balance in the first place. Person will be like pencil. The woman be like Goliath. So no go even understand. In fact, now understand where they teach us improper faction. Now understand the whole setting. But for those of now we don't know, this guy as the matter be. He can decide say, oh no, this heartbreak, he really pain him. He can decide to compose one kind of sweet. This guy is very romantic. Compose one lover's music for this girl. Say no. Say this heartbreak, he no go fit take her. My people beg, make una follow me watch this romantic video.
Bonjour. Des chants, ça c'est celui de ma femme. Des chants sur ma femme. Elle aussi, écoute ça. Je ne veux pas faire espérer. Écoute la musique là. Je chante ça pour toi. Ah, ne veux pas toi. Elle aussi, j'ai tenté mon amour. Je vais te marier. Elle aussi, il ne faut pas écouter les gens. T'es Rollo. Rollo, chérie, coco. Chérie. Elle aussi, t'es Rollo. Moi, je t'aime jusqu'à l'amour. T'es mon amour. Moi, je veux aider toi. C'est mon amour. Elle aussi, tu me perds. Tu peux pas pleurer à cause de toi.
See music, oh, this one I love one thing. See love made in heaven. Person sit down compose this kind of music. Hey, no be small thing. But this one where you don't sit down compose music like Julio Iglesias, you go just make single people begin they jealous. Because you know say every single girl now they go talk say okay oh my boyfriend you say you must sing music for me because of one small wahala. But I beg Oga Grampy, come this your music it really sweet. I know say people enjoy it, but I beg make I tell you something. Use your character you no good at all. Why you go behave like this? Now so we go here say today you there with one girl, tomorrow you there with another girl. Now so you want to do your love. This don't make sense at all now. Then a woman they near you, I been you they near woman. We never understand. Because my people, if you hear today you go here say this man there with this girl, tomorrow you there with another girl. In fact, what you come vex this girl, now be say they can't see this man, this Grampy, with one Senegalese artist, one fine very yellow girl. They can't see him again with this girl. I bet making a show them the picture. Hey, see as girl fine. This guy get taste. You will really get see this fine Omalicha. Now you carry I go market. But I beg you know say this thing go pain this girl. Upon everything where you can't do now, you can't decide say last now music you go compose. But I beg until you talk say I beg come. I know say no easy for you to take this kind. I know say the thing go break your heart. But I beg last now sorry now we go talk. Because it's not easy. Now so you they come as this guy they do this thing. Now so this guy they complain. Say she know they like this guy. I you know say this girl now jealous person. You know say any small thing she don't jealous. So I beg why you can't decide say you won't break her heart? But in fact last as this guy compose music you suppose even forgive him. Just give him a second chance because this music even still ring in my head. In fact the music sweet now, making I even hear them again.
Alors que moi je parle pas, je vais pas écouter les gens. Excuse-moi, elle aussi. va, elle aussi. Dans mon amour, je t'aime. Celui qui veut pas, notre mariage sera pas fait. Ça va, quel est les baisses? C'est ça, quel est le moment les enfants? Donc, il ne faut pas pleurer les t'aimes mon amour. Je sais ce qu'il fait. Mon amour, elle aussi, faut pas pleurer. Ah, c'est ça. Ah, c'est ça, elle aussi, ma chérie. Ma chérie. Et tu me plais. Tu me plais, excuse. Et donc, tu me plais, excuse.
Hey! See this kind of sweet music, now person don't want grief. In fact, this one a jam of the year. This music too sweet, but I beg you, on behalf of all of us for one-on-one team, we need that, no? We need that, and they beg you, auntie, I beg. Take come back, oh, because make I tell you one secret. See, listen, open your ear well. Man, no, they market, all of them are the same thing. All of them be heartbreakers, that they give heartbreak. So in fact, the best advice, just stick to them. And in fact, make I even tell you, you dey at advantage. This guy na you know say as him be chinchy. You go just carry am, bundle and put for your lap and give am like 2 strokes of the cake. Oga go calm down. So you even dey at advantage. So all this one wey dey do gra dey complain. Auntie, abeg, we dey really beg, abeg, no vex. Forgive am, yeah? Abeg, no vex. Him go change. My people, abeg, I hear this kind story. I come say make I bring am come. Make una service na ear. Hear wetin dey happen. Anything when I feel about this whole matter, I just yarn now. Make una write am inside the comment section. Make not forget to like and also share this video. I go see you on for the next video.